Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. You know you're already part of the grateful gang. If you say that with me, I really do love you. If you like budgeting as well as follow me on my journey to home ownership, then I would consider subscribing. You know, it's free 99. It costs you zero, stingy with dinero, just nothing. Okay. So, yeah, I'm here with my comfy vibes. We're about to do this allocation of this paycheck. It's getting late. Don't mind my whole look, okay? So let's get right into it. We got our paycheck number 2 for May, and I kind of match. You know what's funny? I said this was pink, but when I watched it back on the screen, it was like orangey peach. So I don't know what y'all see in colors, but it's not the same thing as I see. Sidebar. All right, so let's go into our Capital One. We have gotten our check for this week, and it is 1,000. No, ma'am. It's $1,324. Yeah, it was the same thing. $1,324.70. 132,470. 132,470. I don't have any rollover. If you saw my previous one, the rollover of 20 something dollars went to the emergency savings because that's our goal right now. So as you know, $20 will go to giving. Nothing on that credit card. It is going from the 21st to the 3rd. So we don't have anything. Oh, no. So that wouldn't be the cell phone. Oh, the cell phone? When did we pay the cell phone? If the cell phone would get paid on the next check. It's not due till the 5th. There's nothing on the Visa. Let me move my face. We just paid these kind of masters. So let's find the thing to the 21st. Paid all that. Capital One was doing the 21st, but it is at $0. I took some of my travel money and paid it. Y'all don't judge me. I actually need to update my sinking funds. Do y'all care if I update my sinking funds with y'all, or should I just do that behind the scenes? Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to see me update my sinking funds or if you could care less. HP Insta Ink will be due on the 25th, so we'll put $4 in for that. The upgrade credit card doesn't have any money on it. Car insurance will be due on the 30th, so we'll put $130 there. House emergency fund. Actually, hold on. Let me go ahead and pay that car insurance now. Okay, guys, thanks for holding. I just made that payment to Progressive, so when we get back to the Capital One account, it should be showing House emergency fund gets $50 every week, so we'll have to move that over. We'll figure out our cash envelopes. We'll get $240. And a zero out challenge will get $3. Nope, lies. $4.70 because we're taking the $4.70 from here to make it an even $3.20. So let's go move things before I forget what I'm doing. 20 for giving, 50 for the house emergency fund, $4.70 for the zero out challenge. Y'all know my favorite. I love a good transfer. All right, zero out challenge, $4.70. Success. Okay, and then we got to do a transfer. Transfer to house emergency fund one time, a 2-time, $50. House emergency fund. The big HEF. Okay, success. Ooh, the moving like a champ. We just got a new modem, and okay, I see you, new modem. Look at it, y'all. I ain't gotta be fighting it with it today. Okay. Okay, let's go. All right, be a cheerful giver. It's getting $20. Add to the memo. And that's giving, transfer. Look at me. I even remembered all the things. Success. I need a shirt that says that on a reel. Okay. So let's go ahead and make everything green because I did like that. So green for the 20, we moved that. That's got to be on hold. I paid that. Did it even show yet? Let's double check. 50 on green. Cash envelopes. Wait, nope. 470 was moved. And the other sinking funds are going to be $100. Those will come out on Friday. We'll figure that out. Main channel challenge for the flowers is getting another $20. Not messing with that. Okay, because I'm not getting any 2s in my weather forecast, and 2 was my number. So I've just decided that to give a total of $40 to this challenge. Period. Okay, I'm done. Humble Home Binder will be getting $100. Gotta get that from the cash. New sinking funds will be getting $100. Baby emergency fund, we don't know about that yet. What is this? Okay. And then everything is random expenses. Okay. So let's see if our payment for the car insurance came over yet. Bada bing. Do y'all see it moving? Like, ooh, are we? There we go, progressive. So it was 126.83. So I'll update the 130 to 126.83. That is what I said, right? Yes, it is. Look at me, and my brain is on fire. Okay. So we can actually make that green. That also did come out. So now we just have to figure out how much we're putting to what we have left. We have $559.17 left. Let's think about this upcoming week. I think all the major things for May have already passed outside of Memorial Day, which I don't even know if we're doing anything. So what that means is I'm going to go ahead. Sorry, I'm going to go ahead and put $500 to our baby emergency fund, and then I'm going to put 50. Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. You know what? Is it still set up to be a random? Hold up. Total needs to be, move your face, the sum of these here. All of these here. Move your body. Tab. Wait a minute. I don't know. Random expense total needs to be these here. Tab. Boom. Okay. Now we're on the right page. So $500 to the baby emergency fund, which we will move right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make it green. And then we'll have $59.17 in the buffer. 2 weeks at $59.17. That's good. We got to tighten the hell up, okay? We got to tighten up. And then we'll be at a zero-based budget. So let me go ahead and move this $500 to the baby emergency fund. Transfer or tighten the heaven up. We're going to tighten it up. Transfer to the stop. Can't touch this. Baby emergency fund. One time. $500 to the BEF. And we're going to transfer. Bang. That's success on period. Okay. And now we have $623. I do have paper. I'm about to say I really need a notepad, y'all. Like, really. Because y'all know my brain. $623.17 is what we should have left for things that need to come out of the bank and need to be paid. And I'm going to check that right now. But first and foremost, I want to go ahead and check on our baby emergency fund, like how we coming along right now. House emergency fund is over 5. We're on fleek. And baby, where you at, baby emergency fund? Baby emergency. Oh, we had 3. That ain't right. We had 800. We had 800. Okay. And we basically just started over this month. We already at 800. I need to find another job because I want to get extra $300 in a month, but I don't want to have to figure out the taxes on my own, struggle city. So I'm excited. Okay. Yep. So, yeah. Okay, focus. So that $500 came out. Let's go ahead and add up all the things that are not in green. That should give us our total of $623.17, and then we'll know we are on the right track. So $4 plus $240 plus 100 plus 59.17 plus 20 plus 100 plus 100. 653. Nah, son, something's wrong. Let me add it again, but I feel like it has something to do with that weather challenge. 4 plus 240 plus 100 plus 5917 plus 20 plus 100 plus 100. Oh, 623.17. Maybe it was my fingers. It was my fingers that did something weird. So 623.17 is exactly what we have here in these numbers that are not green. And we also have that in the bank. So that's perfect. That's what we want. And then I'm going to write myself a little note that we need to get in cash. 240 for the cash envelopes. This needs to be in cash. Actually, I'm just going to make it another color. Get the cash out in orange. 240. 100. Nope, that comes out automatically. That stays in there. Mayflowers. We need that. We need the humble home, and we need the sinking fund. So we gotta go and get another $400 something out, I guess. So 1, 2, 440, 460. I think we're getting the same amount, 460 again. Yeah. So we getting 460 out again this week. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Cool. And now our money is allocated. I feel better about it. And the only thing really waiting for coming out is the HP Insta Ink, which is perfect. $4. I'm not worried about that at all. And no other unforeseen. But we did our thing. Okay. When I look at how much I can actually afford, technically, the Humble Home binder would be gone when I move, hopefully. So I'm going to need you not to be rude. And we would have about $1,100 saved from all the sinking funds and the humble home binder and the emergency fund if I was moving. So technically I could afford $1,100. Do I want to do that? Absolutely not. Anyway, we went off on house buying, which is all that is in my mind these days. But that is all we have for today, you guys. That's all we have today, loves. Thank you so much for coming and joining me and checking me out. That is our allocation of our May paycheck number 2. I'm excited at how our progress is going with our humble home. Yes, with our humble home, as well as our emergency savings fund. And I cannot wait to color in my numbers on that with you guys on our paper sheets. So watch out for that video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. And I'm super duper grateful for you guys. Remember, it is faith over fear. And we are not just doing faith over fear this year. We're doing faith over fear forever, forever, ever. What? Have a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Bye. Love y'all. Bye.